Hi everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a soft vintage coloring to your videos on CapCut. So first, just add your clips and go to adjust and then use these settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -5, contrast increase it to 5, saturation -6, exposure -10, sharpen increase it to 10, and then click on the HSL. Now on the orange color, set the hue into -5, and then saturation -3. And now on the yellow color, hue -6, saturation 5. And now go to the green one and hue -5, and then the saturation -6. On the cyan color, hue -6, saturation -8. Now lastly on the blue color, hue -6 and saturation -8. Okay, just go back and now go to grabs. On the red color, use this curve. So add 3 dots in here like this and adjust it like so. Okay, and now move to the green one. Add 3 dots again and set it like this. Okay, now lastly on the blue color, add 3 dots again and do it like this. Okay, so now go back and click on the highlight and increase it to 10. Do the same with the shadow. Okay, click on the temperature and set it into 40. And then click on the hue -5 and fade 12. Click on grain and now increase it to 20. And now click on the check icon and lastly go to video effects. Click on the lens category and then find the soft effect, so this one, and adjust it to around 20. And you are done with the soft vintage coloring. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.